Hello everyone. Can you believe we have reached the end of our time together? It feels like just yesterday we began exploring multitasking, productivity, and stress management. Today, we will bring it all together with a discussion on your capstone project and a final reflection of what we have learned so far. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the requirements and goals of the capstone project, apply the knowledge and skills gained throughout the course to a comprehensive project, reflect on your learning journey and personal development, prepare for the final presentation and evaluation of your capstone project. The capstone project is designed to combine and apply the knowledge and skills you have gained during this course. It's a chance to highlight your understanding and apply effective strategies for multitasking, productivity, and stress management in a real-world context. Your capstone project will involve identifying a complex, real-life challenge related to multitasking or productivity in either an academic, workplace, or personal setting. You will then apply the techniques and strategies we have discussed, documenting your process and evaluating the outcomes to address this challenge. A student working on a capstone project might choose to focus on improving productivity in their study routine. They would identify specific multitasking issues and apply relevant strategies. Project requirements. Problem identification. Clearly define the challenge you are addressing. Strategy application. Apply at least 3 different strategies or techniques learned in this course. Documentation. Keep a detailed log of your progress, including challenges faced, adjustments made, and outcomes achieved. Evaluation. Assess the effectiveness of the strategies used and reflect on what worked and what did not. Presentation. Prepare a final presentation that summarizes your project, findings, and personal reflections. The capstone project is not just an academic exercise. It's a practical application of the concepts you have learned. Here is how to approach it. Start by identifying a specific challenge that you have encountered in your multitasking or productivity efforts. This could be anything from managing multiple assignments and work responsibilities to balancing personal and professional life. Think of this step as diagnosing a problem with a machine. You need to pinpoint exactly where the issue lies before you can start fixing it. Once you've identified the challenge, select strategies to apply. This could include stress reduction methods or advanced productivity tools. If your challenge is managing a heavy workload, you might apply the Pareto principle and mindfulness practices to reduce stress. Your final presentation is an opportunity to highlight your capstone project and reflect your learning. Here are some tips for a successful presentation. Organize your presentation into clear sections: introduction, problem identification, strategy application, documentation process, evaluation, and personal reflection. Start with a brief introduction of your project, followed by a detailed explanation of the challenge, the strategies you applied, and your documented process. Conclude with your evaluation and personal reflections. Practice your presentation multiple times to ensure smooth delivery. Pay attention to your pacing, clarity, and engagement with the audience. Rehearse in front of a mirror or with friends to get feedback and make necessary adjustments. Throughout your capstone project, create a multimedia diary that includes written entries, photos, and a short video clip documenting your progress and challenges. Compile these elements into a cohesive digital journal that presents your experience. Throughout your capstone project, create a multimedia diary that includes written entries, photos, short video clips documenting your progress and challenges. Compile these elements into a cohesive digital journal that presents your experience. I appreciate your dedication and engagement throughout this course. The capstone project is your chance to shine, highlighting the knowledge and skills you have honed along the way. Wishing you all the best as you complete this final chapter.